What's up everyone, welcome back to GOO computer tutorials. Here, as we discussed about our introduction to HTML in a previous lesson, and also we already discussed about the general syntax of HTML. So in this video we are going to use that syntax to implement the simple HTML program so as to be aware of how can use that syntax to develop the professional HTML program. So what I want to tell you is to subscribe right now, to make like, share, and if you have any point of view or question, don't worry, feel free. Let us use this notepad in the comment section to do this simple example. And remember that the first word is doc type, right? Doc type in uppercase, right? Then HTML to describe that the document that we are going to write is HTML. Yeah, then we have now to start with HTML element like this. Then after this we have now to start the heading of our document by writing head, right? Yeah, and you know that in our heading we have to declare the title of our document. You have now to open title like this and then write title of our document. You can now write like welcome, right? Then also end or close our title like this. Please, as I told you, remember that when we close our element to use this slash, right? Put into mind that you have to use that slash. Then after creating the title, we have now to end or close our head like this, head of our document. After, now we are going to open body of our document by opening body like this, and then we can now put different things in our body that we want to display. Like, let me use heading. This element is the one which show the different words in the different size based on in head number. Let us this called head number 1. This will be a large than other remains. So we will learn it in the next lesson. Let me call it welcome to GOO like this computer tutorials. And then to end this head also we have to use this slash and then head 1 like this, right? Yeah, now I can also use this paragraph element to display like I can now write like this. If you are here, make subscribe like this, for example, and then end our paragraph, right? Yeah, now I can now end my body like this. Also, I can now end my HTML document by ending HTML like this, right? Sorry, yeah. So this is a simple HTML document. So as you see, this is the general syntax of our HTML. What I do is to insert these information is in body of this document. So let us save it and run it to see how it will display an output. Yeah, and let me tell you that when you save your document, you have to specify that is a HTML document. Let me save it here. To make that specification, you have to put here .html, right? Like this, so as to save it as HTML document, and then click on save. So as you see, I already saved my document. So to run it, I can close all of these, right, and go in my this PC to search my document where I saved it. Is in general information, and I called this doctor type HTML. So to run it, I can click here, and they ask me to open this by using different applications. So to find its output, you can use this Google Chrome, because you know that this HTML is the document that is displayed by these websites. You can use Google Chrome or Opera or others. Let me use this Google Chrome and see how it will displayed. Yeah, you see, in our Google Chrome, I get a message say that welcome to GOO Computer Tutorials, and this is what was in our heading. You see, it has the large font size, as I told you, and this statement was in paragraph, says that if you are here, make subscribe. You see, our title is now here in search bar, which called welcome, right? This is our simple HTML program. Yeah, also you can do the simple one. Let me show you when I change this title and write like GOO tutorials or GOO computer tutorials, like this, right? This title will be displayed in the like search icon, right? Is displayed in the search icon, and here I can add another paragraph, says that, for example, this is our paragraph example, like this, right? And then open this paragraph like this. Here I have to put here paragraph, sorry, like this. So let me save it again and run it again to show how it will display an output. I can come again in my document and open it, and I can now open by using Opera Internet. You can use whatever you want here. As you see, there are different options. Let me again use Chrome. You see, this is our updated program. Our title was now GOO Computer Tutorials. This message was not changed because we never change it. It's still welcome to GOO Computer Tutorials, but we added another paragraph, which is this is our paragraph example, as you see on your screen. So this is how you can write the simple HTML document. And this is the end of our today lesson. As you see, was very amazing. So please, if you are new here, I remind to make subscribe, like, share and comment, and please tap on your bell so as to get all notification from this channel. When you tap on your bell, it's like to open the door for all notification. You will get all notification whenever we upload any video. And when you have any idea or question, please don't hesitate yourself, write your idea in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video where we'll start the general code editing or general code implementation by learning how you can use different elements and tags. See you next